Hey guys, Tim here from Candid Tech TV. Today we're taking a look at these Treblab X5s, so stay tuned, that's coming up. Okay guys, so first off, thanks to Treblab for sending out these X5s. I appreciate it. They did send these for review. But let's get right into it. So sound quality wise, these are definitely an above average pair of earbuds. They sound really good. I've listened to different genres of music. I've listened to these at both pretty low volume level, like when I'm in bed and stuff like that. And I've also pumped them up a little bit. Even at about like 3/4 max volume, I didn't really have any distortion or loss of audio quality. They sounded pretty good. However, it wasn't all great. I did have some issues with the left one actually connecting. It's a problem I've had with a few other wireless earbuds in the past, so it isn't exclusive to these X5s here. You know, with the price point and everything, and with the sound quality sounding as good as it does, it is a little bit disappointing. You know, every other time I'm using them, I'd say about pretty consistently the left one will cut out a little bit. It's not very often, but between the amount of times I've used them, it's happened consistently enough to say that it's an issue for me. And we're talking about like momentary kind of cutting out just on the left earbud, just a little bit, and I've had that same issue with other ones, and I wouldn't say these are any worse than any of the other wireless earbuds I've tried out, but again, it did happen. Alright, so talking about the fit of these, let me show you up close here. So you're gonna see they're gonna sit kind of like this. They're kind of almost like, you know, that AirPods style. They are gonna sit out of your ear a little bit like that. They look pretty cool. I like the look. I kind of like the design. Part of me likes it because unlike certain other buds where it's just like the circle and it's in your ear, people can actually see that you have earbuds in and stuff, and they're, you know, not gonna be offended if you're not listening to them or something like that because they can't tell that you're listening to music. So I do like the style. The fit of these are probably the best wireless earbud fit that I've seen. They stay in your ear really great. I wore them working out, running. They're gonna stay in your ear. For me, these would not come out. I would not have any qualms about that at all. Wouldn't even worry about it. So using these for phone calls, it's gonna use just the right ear only for answering and making phone calls. Call quality on my end sounded pretty decent. You know, it sounded a little bit less clear than if I was using it with my just phone speakers on my Pixel. But when I was calling, I called a few other people. I was told that it sounded like it was slightly muffled, but that it was still satisfactory enough and it was still, you know, functional. So if you're gonna need to make a phone call with these, like while you're in the gym, or if like say you're at the airport or traveling or something like that, you can do that, but it's not gonna sound probably like the best quality. The person you're talking to is probably gonna notice a bit of a difference. So where these really shine too is the convenience aspect. And having these things being so small and then having a case that you can just throw these in, it's really awesome. These are great for travel. I mean, you can throw these in your coat pocket, pants pocket, whatever, and this really isn't going to take up much room. This is like all you're talking about when it comes down to the actual case for these. So ultra portable, great for throwing in a bag, great for even just throwing in your pocket and taking with you. So that's what I really love about the convenience of wireless earbuds and these truly wireless earbuds. So, you know, you'll get this case and you'll just be able to throw both of the earbuds in here, and then this will actually charge them a couple times before the battery completely dies out, which is pretty cool. The one weird thing is that they're kind of counterintuitive. Your right is on the left and the left is on the right. When you're putting these away and you're trying to actually put them in your ear, you know, I actually have to grab across and grab the right and kind of put it in the other side. So, I mean, it's not intuitive enough where you're just going to grab with your left hand on the left side, because that's going to be picking up the right earbud. So that's a little bit weird, but, you know, obviously not a deal breaker. So you see, this is what the case looks like here. Pretty slim. You've got your micro USB port right here, and then you can tell when it's charging right here by the LEDs on the front that glow blue. And so you can see they just kind of are going to sit right in there, and then they'll come out here, and they have the little connectors inside the case where they'll match up and actually charge. But yeah, this case is pretty cool and it's very functional. Ultra portable. So you can kind of see here with the left and the right earbuds, you've got the connectors for charging up there at the top. On the left, you're gonna have the skip and rewind buttons there for kind of flipping through your tracks, and on the right you have the plus and minus right there for your volume control. So the design's pretty intuitive. You know, your power buttons are going to be just on the top and just holding those down. Pairing them was also pretty easy. Alright guys, so yeah, they're a pretty good set of earbuds. You know, they have a few of the issues that some of the other truly wireless earbuds I've tried have, but that being said, these do stand out as one of the top truly wireless earbuds I've tried out. Other ones I've tried out out have really cut out and barely kept connection to test them out at all. Other ones have overheated on me to the point where it got hot in my ear and I had to return them. These things definitely stand out as one of the better truly wireless earbuds I've tried. So there's one other model I tried out that I reviewed that I'll put up here that I've really liked and have been my go-to. But as far as sound quality and convenience, these Treblab X5s are definitely up there, and I'll definitely be using them a bit more going forward. So here on Candid Tech TV, I review a bunch of tech items like this: projectors, earbuds, headphones, speakers. So I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button down there below and make sure to hit that bell notification to get my latest content. If this video is helpful, let me know down there below and hit that like button. Also right over here, I'm going to have my subscribe icon and another video for you to check out. But thank you guys, and you guys take care until the next video.